for
Hello and welcome to this video about RustScan, a powerful and fast command line port scanner. RustScan is a lightweight and efficient port scanner that is designed to be fast and easy to use. It is written in Rust, a high performance system programming language, which makes it extremely fast and efficient. One of the key features of RustScan is its multi-threaded scanning engine, which allows is to scan multiple ports simultaneously, making it much faster than other port scanners. RustScan supports scanning of both TCP and UDP ports. You can scan either a specific IP address or range of IP addresses by using its flags like R and A. So let's start our video here. First, I will start with the installation of RustScan. For this, we need to open a terminal. There is the terminal. I will make it bigger. You can check. I have already copied the link from the GitHub, and I will also paste this link in my video description. We will download it. Internet. And then we can install it. It is installed. We can check by using the version flag if it is installed or not. So yes, this is installed. So I will first scan. We can scan like A for all the ports, all 65,535 ports. It will scan in just 3 seconds. Okay, and also you can define the range of ports like from 100 to 200. Let's start with the A switch. This is our target IP. So the RustScan is started. Let's see. So yes, it has scanned all the ports in less than 1 second. Can you believe it? So this is the end of our video. If you have liked this, please subscribe to my channel and wait for other videos. Thank you.